Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I'm Christy Amaro, 35 years old, married with two children. I have one son and one daughter. I am vocational graduate. I have one brother and one sister. I am the eldest of my family. I have 2 years experience as a private domestic helper here in the Philippines. I took care of two children. One is 3 months old. The other one is 5 years old. I am responsible to take care of them while my employer is working for the whole day. I'm also responsible cleaning the house, cooking, and laundry. I want to work abroad so that I can earn more because my family is becoming bigger and my kids need more support. To my future employer, please choose me as your nanny. I am patient, honest, reliable, and very trustworthy. I promise to do my best to save your family in the future. Thank you and God bless.